Let's solve question 1.2 now. So we have an example over here where we have a firm and wants to maximize its profits. So we have the production value of a worker and the wage that we have to pay. And we have two types of workers, low skilled and high skilled. Now the firm has limited space, so it can only hire one worker. Which type of worker will the firm hire? So let's see. If that's the production value and this is the wage that the firm is going to pay, it means that the difference between these two numbers is going to be the profit of the worker to the company. Basically, how much money does the company make net? So that's going to be the profit to the company. Okay, so let's see the difference between them. We have the difference between 50,000 and 15,000. Well, that's a net profit of 35,000 for a low-skilled worker. And if we take the same difference between 80,000 and 35,000, well, that's equal to 45,000 as a net profit from a high-skilled worker. We can see that 45,000 is higher, meaning that the firm will hire one high-skilled worker. So in part A, it will hire one high-skilled worker. Now, let's have a look at part B as well. So suppose that the firm can, at the rate of 10,000 euros per year, rent additional space so that it can employ two workers. Now, will the firm rent the space, and what type of worker will the firm hire? Well, the firm would rent the space if that's going to give a higher profit than either of these two options. So this is the profit from one worker. Now let's calculate the profit from having two workers when we also have to pay 10,000 euros for extra rent. Well, if we have two workers, in the case of hiring low-skilled workers, we know that one low-skilled worker provides us a profit of 35,000, meaning that two of them will provide us 2 times 35,000 euros worth of profit, but we have to subtract the cost of rent, so minus 10,000. Minus 10,000. What's going to be the net profit? Well, 2 times 35, that's 70. 70 minus 10, that's going to be 60,000 euros in profit under this case. Now let's do the same thing for the high-skilled workers. What if we hire two high-skilled workers? We know that one high-skilled worker generates us 45,000 euros in profit. Two of them is going to generate double, so 2 times 45,000, and minus the cost of 10,000 for the rest. So minus 10,000 cost for the rent. 2 times 45, that's 90. 90 minus 10 is going to give us 80,000 euros in profit. And what we can see is that 80,000 euros is greater than 60,000. So we are going to hire high-skilled workers and we are going to pay for the rent, because 80,000 is also greater than 45,000 that we used to have before only with one worker. So yes, the rent is worth it and we're going to hire two high-skilled people. Hope this makes sense. In the next video, we solve one more question related to this.